師兄，四呢仲有7隻啊？
飲水係咪？係喺我度攞水，唔好飲凍嘢啊！又買咩食啊？
Cheap today, 200 for two.
Yeah,
Before is 180 for one.
for one, right?
Because maybe because for his summer.
Oh,
I think so, right?
Almost. They will change another activity after this summer, I'm sure. So, what we're gonna do?
Duckling. Finally, we find the place and we do duckling.
She did, and then she wearing the dress with the sandals. It's not bad because the time is 4:30. It's not that
That's so
hot.
hard,
Yeah.
That's so hot. A juice? Yeah, I want water.
I don't want to drink any sweet. Forgot to buy it before we come here.
Me too. I'm focused how to find it. Come here.
飯你哋行先，我慢慢行佢哋自己行。行咩先？行咩咧？嗰架咩炮台山1嚿水嗰架青馬打分位差唔多啦，嗰炮台山。
We will follow that. Then someone will help us. Oh. Uh-oh, we use the blue and white. Oh.
OK， 你嗰啲嘢俾我。係啦。
You go first.
OK。呢度後邊嗰邊，啲山。係，你攬佢。
Thank you.
OK。
Where I sit?
You have to sit here.
Here?
Because you have to control that one.
Oh, MG. I'm the driver. You exchange.
you are the driver. Yeah.
We exchange, Ken? Because I'm holding the camera. She's the one.
Oh, yeah. And this side is the front.
Okay.
This
Okay.
side is the front.
Okay.
Yeah.
Choo choo.
I'm going to bomb that our back.
Be careful.
I think I'll remove my slipper.
Because better, right?
No. I'm going to bomb our back.
Oh, watch out. I can see.
Oh, so you not only enjoy, but you get to think how to not bomb.
And you know what? The uncle say keep going, pedal. Just watch out.
So your brain, your leg, you need to think.
Yes. I can see at the back,
Oh, why did we
Yeah, we go that side. Yeah, it helps. Put inside your bag that one first.
wait?
Okay.
You know,
Yun.
not easy than driving car. It's very hard.
Just one hand. Why you wearing mask? Oh my goodness!
Forgotten.
I cannot breathe. Just. Oh, perfect. Tell me at the back. I can see the back. I'm afraid we will bump someone. Where are we going? We go there.
Oh, there.
Oh.
So we like this.
Oh yeah. Wow, it's so hard.
I told you it's so hard. Tell me at the back,
That one is better, but this is more safer. That one is.
Oh, this one is
Just a kid.
safer because this one have this one to hold.
But that one is just a kid.
And this one is smaller. But it's funny. It's big bread.
Perfect weather.
My feet are so tired already.
Luckily, we got a heavy lunch. Oh my goodness. Otherwise, we don't have energy. It's funny. You're wearing sandal.
I removed my sandal.
But not much people go there. How can we go to the left side? Driver.
I need to think first. Maybe we try there first.
Oh, okay,
Okay,
go.
just push by. No more energy.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so hard.
Can you see your face?
Yes.
We're going back. Okay, turn.
Oh,
To the-
now it's there. It's there.
Okay.
Front. Wow, no, it's very strong wave. Did you feel it?
Yes. I feel hot
Me too.
after this wearing life jacket. Turn right. There's only one to go to down.
Where?
The receipt, you must keep it.
Why we turn around here?
Yeah, that's it, and then you go straight.
Okay, let's turn back.
Yeah.
Like this. Go. Farther.
Oh my God. Oh my gulay. Hayaan ko na lang siya. Oh, it's a big wave. I can feel it. Right? Because it's windy. Why they are so fast?
I think the petrol is really. I need to take a rest with the water, bro.
I'm so thirsty.
Drink.
Oh my gulay ka. My bed's so tired. Why it's so hard? Why? They need to put the oil on it.
Even the drive, did you heard the sound?
Yeah.
It's so scary. It's Halloween sound.
Yeah, well,
Halloween sound, Nick.
but the yellow, I never heard.
I think the yellow is the machine is smooth. That's why people can get easy.
Easy, right?
Oh.
Even that young people.
What do you mean we are old?
No, I mean the kids.
Yeah, no, the building is really cosmetic.
Okay, babe. Look at,
And then where the address is one chai.
because this is the end. I think we can ride going to North Point. Yes, yeah, it's very close to here. Yeah. Hello. I feel like I'm deep and you are in high because I'm heavy.
I feel so.
So that's why I feel. Ooh. It's very nice weather. You see,
Yeah.
blue.
The sky also is clear.
Mm. We go there. Wow, we are already near in the.
Are we going there?
Yeah. So how? You pedal? I help you. Or are we going back? Are we wrong? Like this. Hama?
No, I want to turn there.
I'll show you. You turn first.
But doesn't work.
Oh, okay. It's work. It's work. It's moving. I told you. That's why I said I'm doing a vlog. I'm doing a video, so I don't want to be a driver.
Oh, this is really old people.
Because the sounds, I think, really.
Halloween sounds. Halloween sounds.
You know what? Nandito na kami sa gilid. Gilid. Oh, ayan. Hala, hindi tayo balance. We are not balanced. I want to sit in the middle. Oh, they are coming. The second batch. They are coming. Yeah, finally.
I feel no more my rice.
Me too. I want just the water.
Or something drink to chill out.
What do you want? Like what? Beer?
I don't like the smell of beer.
I never try even one time.
I just smell only.
I just drink the Smirnoff, that one, the ladies drink, plus 4% alcohol. Only that one, but the rest I cannot.
Me only wine.
Even wine. I can drink, I think one shot, but after that,
I'm good in wine, but it's not good in other.
But you are a good driver. You are good in wine, but you are not in good driver. We almost there.
Oh, yeah.
Why we go?
Oh, yeah.
How? Put go other side.
Wait. Well, here is very strong wind.
Seriously, yeah.
Oh wow, they have drink. I'm jealous.
I'm jealous. Oh my God, it's
It's so nice.
crazy. I'm so.
I like it.
I'm nervous.
Nervous because you don't know how to swim. No worries, I will taking care of you. I know how. Let's go and turn.
Turn, yeah. Is it correct?
Yep.
My pedal is the same with you.
Yep.
It's more big wave in here than in the middle.
Because push here.
Yeah. So go back.
Yep.
No, I think
turn.
you turn first. Oh my God, sis.
Because it's heavy there. No. You just calmly. Come on, let's be pedal. Slowly pedal. Yes. Turn. No, don't shout. Be calm.
Is it? I think it's turn the pedal.
There, run.
Okay, yeah.
So we can turn.
Oh, finally.
Don't shout, don't be panic, just calm down. See, baby.
Oh, turn. Oh yeah.
I know the feeling there is a
Yeah.
big wave. Because it's the corner, so the wave will push.
No wonder that man said don't too close to the white. That
Because
one
it's a heavy. But me, I like it because it's
so crazy. I feel dizzy.